Today feels like a normal day. I think everything will be simple today. I am ready for the day. Nothing strange will happen today. Breakfast is always peaceful. I love quiet mornings like this. I hear something outside. Maybe it's just the wind. Everything looks so normal outside. Maybe today will be special. A small puppy. How did you get here? You look lost, little friend.
Hello? I can talk, don't be scared. I just need a little help.
You are talking. This cannot be real.
Thank you for letting me inside. It feels warm here.
What is happening here?
Hi, David!
Did that dog just speak?
Yes, he can talk!
We are surprised too. My name is Benny. Nice to meet you all.
This is unbelievable!
He is so cute! This is the best meal ever. Thank you for kindness.
You are safe here now. You are part of our home. I feel safe for the first time. Thank you, everyone.
A new day has started. Everything feels different now.
This park feels so peaceful today. Let's see what you can do here, Benny. Wow, so many dogs here. I feel like I can talk to everyone. Hello, friend. What is your name? I think I understand you perfectly.
You are really talking to him.
This is unbelievable, Benny.
Everyone has a story here. They all want to be heard.
Wait, did you hear that?
Something is not right.
I don't hear anything. Are you sure? There you are. Don't be scared, little one.
I am lost. My mother is gone.
Oh no, poor baby. We will help you.
Don't worry, we will find her. You are not alone now.
Let's start searching right now. We will not give up.
She is not here. We keep looking.
Still nothing here. We must stay strong.
No sign of her. But I can feel she is close.
What if she never comes back? I am scared.
Sometimes waiting is hard. But hope never leaves.
Is that her mother? It looks like her.
Mom! You came back!
They found each other. This is beautiful. Then I am very lucky. Very, very lucky.
A talking puppy has been discovered.
People are amazed across the city.
Whoa, a talking puppy!
This is so cool.
Why are so many people here? This is getting too much.
Can the puppy speak again?
We want to hear him.
Why are so many people watching me? I just want to help.
This is getting dangerous. He cannot live like this.
I feel strange, too many eyes. I just want quiet.
Benny? Where are you?
He is not here.
He is gone!
He is not here.
He is gone! We must find him. He cannot be far.
This is where we met him. Maybe he is here.
Hi.
I didn't want to run away forever.
Why did you leave us? We were worried.
Everyone wanted me to perform. Not to be me.
We never wanted that. We just wanted you. Sometimes being different is a gift, and sometimes it brings family together.